lecture is on monochromatic light, chromatic light, and quality of chromatic. First of all, we discuss a definition monochromatic light. The word monochromatic means void of color. Intensity is only attribute from black to white. Monochromatic images are grayscale images. Now we are define chromatic light. Chromatic light are not grayscale images. The ranges of chromatic light is from 0.43 to 0.79 micrometer. Now we are discussing quality of chromatic. There are three quality factors. First is luminance, amount of energy that observe or perceive from light sources. Secondly, brightness, subjective descriptor of light perception that is impossible to measure. Third, radiant, total amount of energy. Thank you for watching this video.